I see market. Yeah, then it should be perfectly fine if you're using MT5 and all of that. All right, can you guys let me know if my YouTube is working? Okay, good. Is YouTube back up and running now? Oh my gosh, did we just miss that ping pong setup? No! Bro, no! Did Oh my gosh, bro. I can't believe we just missed that ping pong setup. I tell you, man. I tell you. I tell you. Yeah, the market have it out for us today. Yeah, we look at that. Let's go back to it. I'm sorry. I was so caught up in fixing the YouTube. I saw it, but I wasn't really paying attention to it. Okay. So basically, what's happening now is a ping pong setup. All right. For those who don't know what a ping pong setup is, how many persons got that ping pong setup? Sylvia is in the ping pong setup. Oh my word, that's so nice. So the ping pong setup is where we take an entry one, then an entry two, or we take an entry two, then an entry one. So an entry two confirm when the price rejected from the 30-minute resistance. I can take this off now because I'm already out up that I took back my 40 pips on that. I should be in the sell right now. Oh, word. So for those who don't know, the ping pong setup is where you take an entry one. So you'll take an entry one with the break and the retest from the 215 zone, right? You will ride it to the resistance or the support where it goes to the 30-minute support. Then what you will wait for, you would wait for two candle closures going in the opposite direction to reject from the resistance or the support. Once you've had that, then you will take the entry to go in the opposite direction, sort of like the one we took yesterday. So it confirmed the ping pong setup. I was distracted really by getting the YouTube back on. I didn't even realize that it had confirmed. I saw it was building up, but sadly, I never entered that one. So we're still back now at break even though for today. Wow. I'm telling you, I will not be losing money on these trades. I will cut at BE if it goes there. Oh my gosh, that's fine. How many? I want so my fellow 2 and 5ers. I know you guys know what to look for entry model 1 and entry model 2. How many of you guys took that entry model 2 just now? If you took an entry model 2 just now, let me just get some 2 in the chat. See if you took an entry 2. Oh, look at that. If you took the entry 2 just now, let me just see some 2 in the chat. You were calculating the pips, bro. Nice, 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 nice. I missed that one. I missed that one. I'm sorry, guys. I missed that one. So we rolled that buy to the top, right, for entry model one, and the ping pong setup confirmed where it went to the resistance and it rejected, heading in the opposite direction. Nice. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy that you guys are paying attention. You guys understand the 215 technique, right? You understand the 215 technique. So without me actually saying something, you took action. Congrats, Carnelia. Congrats. And I guess that you said you were in Poland as well. Are you friends with Sylvia? Yeah, you're friends with Sylvia. Okay, that's nice. Did she recommend you to the channel? Bro, this is a very proud moment. This is a very proud moment for me. I'm so happy. It shows that you guys are paying attention to the 215 technique. I've made mention of it, but then I got sidetracked. I got sidebar because I was trying to get the YouTube back on. We took an entry one, right in the entry one to the 30-minute resistance. So yeah, also Ricky, nice, nice. I love that. So thank you, Sylvia, and thank you, and thank you, Ricky, for recommending Carnelia to the channel, and it has paid off. So we got spanked earlier. We got spanked earlier with that 40 pip down move, right? Which we took, right? We recovered it. We recovered it in this up move, which we took. We did even get some few extra pips on that. Didn't get the full on 70, right? So practically at break even now. But this move, this entry two, was the move that was to push me back all the way in profits, but I didn't take it because I was trying to get the YouTube channel back on. But look at that, guys. So for all those persons who are in that entry two right now, you guys are baiting, man. You guys are baiting. Nice, nice. I'm so happy that you guys are learning and you are paying attention to the 215 technique. It's a very proud moment for me right now. Very proud moment for me. This technique is brilliant. Yeah, it's brilliant. It's brilliant. And it's great. So that's why if I take an entry and let's say an entry goes against me, I don't feel bad or anything about that because I know the level of magnitude that this technique has. Let's say we didn't get that loss this morning. If we didn't get that loss this morning, right now we would actually be at 100 pip on average today because this to there is about, let's round it off as 50 pips. And now this move from here to there is almost 50 pips. So on average, and if any of you guys caught that up move on that down move as well, that's a total of 100 pips. So brilliant. It's a very beautiful technique, I tell you. Actually, you need 2 entries and you are full whole day. Yep. Sometimes we do it in 1. But congrats to you guys. Beautiful. My pupils, I tell you. My pupils, I tell you. Definitely, if I come to Poland, Poland and South Africa. I don't speak Polish though, so I might have to get a translator. I'm that. Majority of my viewers are in those 2 countries, and it's on my to-go list. So I have 2 vacations planned for this year. I haven't booked anywhere as yet, but I know I'm going off to 2 new countries this year. Please explain the technique. I will just a minute. I'll explain the technique, but you first have to subscribe to the 215 Trades YouTube channel. Is Catherine still on? Catherine Gold, are you still on, Catherine? Is Paulo on as well? Um, Sylvia, how far are you away from that $1 billion? I go to Ricky and Eva in the beginning of April to Portugal. I go to Ricky and Eva. Who's Eva? Is Eva Carnelia? 2 days. 2 days. Hi, bro, from Singapore. Hi, Kimmy, my first Singaporean viewer. Ah, his wife. Ah, okay. So we have a family of traders. A family of traders just doing the 215 technique. Nice, nice. Are you originated from Jamaica? No, I'm originally from a country called 215. Scalping on the cell. Are you in that entry too as well, Paulo? Bro, what if this entry 2 cell now ultimately do that previous cell that we wanted, that we got spanked on previously? What if it does that? It would be so beautiful. So beautiful, I tell you. You can expect more traders because, ah, Sylvia, thank you for that. Bro, that means so much to me. You don't know. All these pips that I'm feeding you guys is nothing. What means the most to me really is just you guys showing up here. Just you guys showing up here and just spreading the word, liking the live and supporting the channel, man. I really appreciate you guys. You guys just don't know how much you guys have changed my life. The 215 technique has done greatly a lot, but you guys have just made me just, bro, 70K like spending. We're creating an all-time high. I can't keep coming to the market and doing this every day, because if I continue to do this every day, eventually the FBI are gonna come and get me to say, "Damn, bro, your setup so great." Yeah, bro, the 215 technique, I tell you, is epic. Yeah, watching from South Africa. Absolutely, man. You know, when we get to the massive following, one day we're gonna do a meme coin and see how that works. You deserve this because you are really good teacher and the technique is really good. Nice. Thank you very much for that. Those wise words, Sylvia. Those mean a lot. I'm from the Rodriguez Island. Nice. Look, bro. So we got a 50 pip on the up move. Let me put it back for those who are coming on. So we got a 50 pip move on the upside, right? And now, sadly, because I had some technical difficulties, I missed that entry to entry, but I'm still putting it on there because my students are in it, right? So we got that 50 pip up move right there to that 30-minute resistance area. I did make mention to say, hey, we're at the resistance area now. We need to possibly look for it. And now we had two rejection going in the flip side, two candle closures going in the flip side, and that entry to confirm. And this is a perfect, this is what I call a ping pong setup. A ping pong setup right here. And now that's what? Another 40 pips or 90 pips down. One question, is it okay to enter once again for buying using the lines from 7 a.m.? Let's validate that using the 15-minute time frame. So what I normally use to validate, just to make sure that my 215 zone is still active, is that on the 15-minute time frame, I go back to the 15-minute time frame to see how many of the 15-minute candles actually close inside the zone. If we still have candles closing inside the zone and closing close by to that point of interest, then that shows me that look the 215 zone is still active and is still valid, right? So we can still continue to take entries from this zone all day if we still get 15-minute candles reacting inside the zone. So sometimes you don't even have to redo a marking. One marking from Asian session can serve you all the way, can serve you all the way until the New York session as well. As long as on the 15-minute time frame, you still have persons visiting your point of interest if on the 15-minute candle. You're legit, bro. I am legit. I'm also crazy, and I've been called mad quite a few times as well. All right, come on, guys. We're at 60. Can we're at 66K likes right now. You see, the prices are not rejecting from the 215 zone because it's a strong support area. I do only one on YouTube now. Yeah, you're the only one. Yeah, Sylvia, you're the only one on my YouTube now. But we only have 4 viewers on YouTube right now. But don't worry, tomorrow when we're doing that giveaway on the YouTube stream, we're gonna have a lot of persons over there because you won't be able to win the giveaway tomorrow if you are not on the YouTube stream. Okay, but Sylvia, I like having you on my YouTube stream. Guys, let me know. Let me know in the comment section. Still here holding, but if it keeps dropping, I'll cut it. Cut it. Cut it. You guys know that song. Let me know, guys. How many of you on here, right, using the 215 technique? Has this 215 technique changed your trading in any way whatsoever? Has it changed it for the good or has it changed it for the bad? If it has changed your trading technique for the good, just drop a good in the chat. If it has changed it for the bad, well, don't comment. Of course, I'm tomorrow with you guys. No, I don't use any indicators. I use these magic hands. All these lines are written. If you want to see how you do the 215 technique, I would recommend you go into my YouTube channel at 215 Trades, right? 215 Trades on YouTube. Subscribe to that channel, and then you can see how to do the 215 technique. Additionally, as well, you can also follow the live sessions as well, because every morning whenever I come live, I always explain how I do the technique. You have given me a clearer strategy to analyze the chart. Bro, it's simple. That's the thing. It is so simple. Right, it is so simple. And that's why I'm in love with it so much, because yeah, all right, fam. I tell you. All right, let's all right, so yeah, I've been on some various channels, man. And say, okay, all right. So the price is rejecting from a 5 minute breaker block, and it's now testing a 15 minute what's that? What's the other one? A fair value gap, um, and we're aiming for a break of structure or a close. Whoa, I can't work with it, man. Five, I can't work with. I'm doing extensive back testing on the 215, bro. Can we do a collab together on Zoom? Yeah, I should be doing a Zoom meeting eventually. Eventually, should be doing a Zoom meeting. I didn't expect for the 215 technique to gain such popularity, but it has been feeding a lot of pips, and it's going to be making quite a lot of good traders eventually. Yeah, so it's very simple. It's very straightforward. But one thing you will have to do whenever you're doing this technique is that you have to make sure that you're patient, my friend. Simplicity is key. Thank you, sir. Yep. The chef of pips. If the candle breaks the 15 minutes. Am I going for a round 2? No, this is round 3. Remember we took that I took that short. Where did I take that short? I took the short right here. because I thought it was going to give me, that win, but instead it spanked me. Yeah, if you're into that kinds of stuff, then yeah, that was a very nice spanking. So we got spanked. I got spanked right here, right? Got spanked right here. Then I came back in full effect, spanked the market right there. Then the stream went down, and I had to, get the stream up, and I missed this entry too right here. However, I do have my lovely students on here who have taken entry two from right here, doing a lovely ping pong setup, right? Doing a very lovely ping pong setup. I took 45 pips buy and almost at break even for the earlier loss. Yeah, that one. So this, if you had taken the entry two, this one would have put you back um in profits. Now I missed it. Yeah, I missed it as well because I was looking. I was doing the fixing the YouTube because my YouTube stream went down. Is it going to go all the way? I don't know. I don't know if it's going to go all the way or not. It doesn't have to go all the way because we've already ate our pips. All right, good. We have created a new record on this stream. We're now at 70k likes. OMG. Are we doing New York today, friends? Are we doing New York? If you'd like for me to do a New York stream, can I get some NYs in the chat? Let me just have a look at those first. So, all right. So, no, I'm not seeing anyone saying that they want a New York stream. No one has answered. I'm not seeing any NY in the chat. So, I'm guessing that we're not doing any New York stream. All right, guys, for those who are in my Telegram group, Telegram group, I'm going to share my backup TikTok channel, and I'd like for you guys just to have a quick subscribe to it. The Telegram channel is the link of the Telegram channel is in the is in my my description. Is also on my YouTube. Can you guys just follow this channel as well? That's my backup TikTok channel. And also, can you also follow my YouTube channel or subscribe to my YouTube channel as well? Okay, Harry's saying go for New York. So there's only one. So there's one person. There's only one person who wants the New York stream. There's only one person that says NY, and it's Harry from YouTube. So I guess in my TikTok viewers don't want the New York stream. All right, if my TikTok viewers if you guys want the New York stream, get me to 80k likes, and then I will consider it. 80k likes on TikTok. Wow, bro. Wow. For all those 215ers that took that entry to nice. Yeah, I'm live right now on YouTube right now. So if you guys get me to 80K, I'll go for the New York stream later on today. Yesterday's stream, how many pips did the chef cook up for you guys on yesterday's NY stream? On yesterday's NY stream, how many pips did the chef cook up for you guys? 140, 240, 128. Well, if that's how many pips you guys got today, then I don't think I need to do any more streams then, because that's a lot of pips for one day. Should I join the trade for a sell? I would recommend. I'm not a financial advisor, but ChatGPT is a very good uh, application that you can ask questions and it will provide you with answers. Sincerely, don't know, just knew I made a lot of money yesterday. Darky Dembox, hey bro, you're right. Bro, remember, I'm not giving any signals, man. I'm not giving any signals. I'm not it's not a what you call it? I'm not a signals channel. I'm just some random guy, right? I'm some random guy here on the channel that uses the 215 technique um, to look for entries on gold. Right now, one more thing as well. We're still not at 80K, so I still don't know if you guys want the if you guys really want the YouTube stream or not. But one more thing as well, the New York stream had to cut and add the initial long stopped out. So sorry, Catherine. So sorry about that. But it's time for it. We're now in the entry two is fully active right now, so buys are no more at this minute. Now, no, whenever you do an entry two, you just manage your profits. How many persons are still holding that entry two? If you're still holding the entry two, let me just see some H in the chat. Now, remember, remember, remember. Guys, listen closely. All right? Listen closely. Listen closely, okay? And I'm going to be only saying this once. All right? Listen closely. All right? Are you ready for the big news? Is the fifth if as a 50 yeah, the 15-minute candle is still in. Are we ready? Now listen. We are currently and I currently have 1,013 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Okay? And in honor of the 215 technique, when I get to 2,150 subscribers, when I get to 2,150 subscribers, right? When I get to 2,150 subscribers, so basically 215, I will be doing a 24-hour stream. Now, that 24-hour stream will basically start from the Asian opening. Yeah, it's going to be start from the Asian opening, and it's going to end. It's going to end at the New York opening. No, the New York closing. So it's going to be a 24-hour stream. All right. On that 24-hour stream, I will be taking entries using the 215 technique, and also as well, what I'll be doing is that I'll be taking a few funded challenges live on stream. It's all going to be showcased on stream, and we're going to try to pass those challenges in that 24-hour. Okay, so if that's something you would like to see and you would like to be a part of, I know it's a bit far away because it's 2,150 and we're only at 1,013. I know it's some far away, but by that time we will build up the popularity of the 215 technique. So what I would say is that if you want to be a part of that and you want to watch that stream, it's going to be on YouTube. It's not going to be on TikTok. It's only going to be on YouTube, right? You have to head on over to my YouTube channel, which is 215 Trades on YouTube, and subscribe to that channel. Okay? So if you want to see that, head on over to 215 Trades on YouTube and subscribe to that channel. That's my main play area. That's my main baby. That is where I do most of my live streams. All right. So ultimately as well, to get the numbers quicker, get us quicker to the 2,150 as well, it's also good if you share the channel. So if you share the 215 Trades channel to any of your friends or your colleagues, or even those persons that you're even your worst enemy, share 215 Trades channel to them, and that will change their heart for the better. You know, because when they see how much you have graced them with such a lovely channel that can have them eating pips for days, they don't want to be hating on you anymore, right? They will want to support you because you have given them such a lovely gift. So, share the channel, my friends, join our Telegram group, and be a part of the 215 journey. Now, the 215 technique is a technique that I created, right? And if you Google it, the only place you'll find it, not well, persons start to copy me now, but the home of the 215 technique is on my YouTube channel. You can go on there and you can see my old videos. I'm not removing any of those videos because that's when I came into video creating myself, and I made those videos myself. And you can have a watch at those videos. It's not going to be like the best um, videos in regards to quality, but I put in my heart or my sweat and blood in that. Okay, send 4K likes on TikTok. Yeah, we're almost at 1K like at 80K. So when we get to 80K, I'll let you guys know if I'm doing the New York stream. So go to 215 Trades and have a look at the 215 technique. Okay, if you want to learn it. So 3 entries taken. Well, 3 entries taken. One was a loss of 40 pips. We gain it back on that second entry, and then this entry would basically be your feed-in session. You're ending the stream, bro. You ended the stream, bro. Are you gonna miss me if I'm ending the stream, Zayo? Do you want me to stay on all day? Ah, nice. So we're at 80K. We're at 80K likes right now. What, do you want me to stay on stream until the New York market opens? Yes, please. Bro, come on. The chef can't be in the kitchen cooking pips all day without any rest. Come on. All right, thank you guys for all the supporters on my YouTube channel. We now have 18 viewers on there. I really appreciate you. And I can't stop saying this so much. How much I appreciate you guys actually being here. You don't know how much it really means to me. Because I remember days, bro. Days when I'm live on YouTube. And it's only me on my two phones. And I remember one morning I felt so bad. I ended that stream and I deleted the video and I said, what am I doing here? I should just stop this. And to be here now, having over 200 viewers on one platform, 18 viewers on the next, these numbers are small in comparison to what other streamers are doing. But fam, it means so much to me to see that you guys are here, man, and I'm happy for all of this. If I have a Telegram, yes, I do have a Telegram. Telegram is on the bio of the video, and it's also in the description of the video as well. So if you want to join the Telegram group, just head on over to the Telegram. Head on over to the YouTube channel 215 Trades. It's there as well, and it's also on the description of the landing page on TikTok. Yeah, it's definitely gotten time because this 215 technique, I tell you, is a blessing, man. And it just came out of the middle of nowhere. And I can show you how I discovered the 215 technique. Let me show you how I discovered the 215 technique. As a matter of fact, the 215 technique was actually, it was created on NAS, but let me go to NAS. But what I normally wait for, I would wait for a 15-minute candle to close. Right, so I would wait for a 15-minute candle to close above or below the zone, and then when I take that entry, most of the time, it has the play has already gone left, would have already moved past me. So I had to revise it to say, so it's not the 15-minute time frame. It's best to go for the 5-minute time frame and ride that out, because let's look at the 15-minute time frame. What would have happened, right? So let's say we were still waiting on the 15-minute time frame. Well, this one would have confirmed it perfectly. We wouldn't have taken the sell we've taken earlier because there's no 15-minute candle closure there. But at the time when I was creating the technique, there wasn't any entry 2, so there was only an entry 1, so we wouldn't have this entry right now, right? I'm just find you yesterday when you made that big win. We make big wins daily. We do it so often. It must be magic. We do it so often. If you were here last Friday was, hey Manny. Last Friday was epic as well. Last Friday was epic. With that sell from all-time high. Yesterday was the same treatment as well, and today again, we did it again. We got spanked first, but we've made it up. When's the next stream, man? Let's see. Are we at 80K likes? Yeah, we're at 80K likes, so that means that we are going live in New York. All right, good. So we have a 15-minute candle that closed in the 215 zone, and it has also tested the point of interest. So that tells us that the 215 zone is still active. So we can look for plays, additional plays from the zone. Please, what is the all about? The 215 zone, my friend. The 215 zone is the sweet spot, is the P spot. And when I say it's the P spot, I mean it's the pip spot. So get your minds out of the gutters, friends. It's the area of interest, right? It's like a central hub. So think of it like a bus station. So the 215 zone is sort of like a bus station. Think of it of a bus station where the buses are going out and they're coming in, and then you decide to take which one of the buses you want to take to your destination. So what happened? let's say for in this instance, we wanted to take the green bus, right? However, when the green bus left the bus station, which is a 215 zone right here, it was full. So we waited for the bus to go where it was coming at and drop off the passengers. Then it came back to the bus station in the 215 zone, right? Then it closed. Once it came back into the 215 zone, that's when we loaded onto the green bus and we took it to our destination. We did our business at the destination and we took the red bus from there back to the bus station downwards. So the 215 zone is a very interesting area. It is a very nice area. And if you want to know how we do the 215 technique and identify this area, I would recommend you subscribing to my YouTube channel. All right. Now, you might be wanting to know how much is what's the win rate, which doesn't help you in any way whatsoever. But if you'd like to know that, my fellow viewers can let you know. My fellow viewers here on TikTok and YouTube, have you been having a very good time with the 215 technique? If you have been having a very good time and you have been properly fed with pips, let me know in the chat. Just shout pips with a bunch of exclamation. Do you use any tools to identify the 215 zone? No, there aren't any tools that's used to identify the zone. We only use, so the point of interest, the purple line. You see that, guys? This candle rejected perfectly from that point of interest line. I can smell a buy brewing right now. Yeah, I can smell another buy brewing right now. But are we really gonna chance it to take another long? The 30-minute resistance has been tested. So the next target won't be the 30-minute resistance, it would be the 1 hour resistance. So on the 15-minute time frame, we've had a candle closure in the inside, very close to the point of interest. This candle closes in 9 minutes, so let's see. Are we gonna take another entry, 3 entries for the day, or 4? Well, it would be 4 entries for the day. All right. What time does the New York stream opens? What time does the New York session opens? Let me go to Forex Factory. Forex Factory usually tells me. Because I think we came live at 1:30. Was it 1:30 we came on? I'm a beginner who really wants to learn. Well, you're definitely in the right place. So I'd recommend you to head on over to my YouTube channel, which is 215 Trades on YouTube, and have a watch of the videos on there. In 10 minutes. Bro, I'm not sure where you guys are, but I don't think so. All right, so the New York session, checking in Forex Factory. The New York session opens 1 p.m. 1 p.m. my time. Also, as well, we have news coming out at 3 p.m. as well. If this for the next 9 minutes, if this 5 minute, if this 50-minute candle properly closes inside the zone before it actually breaks out, then this would be a very good setup for us to, for me, sorry, to look for another entry based off the 215 zone. What's my current time? It's now 10:52 a.m. here in London. Do we have any viewers here from the Caribbean? Is anyone streaming from the Caribbean? Yeah, I try to come live every day. Remember, I'm a chef. I'm a chef for Pips. I have to feed my viewers. So I have to be cooking, man. I have to be cooking. 82K likes, guys. Thank you all for that. We have created a new all-time high for likes on the stream as well. And I think this is the most entries we've taken as well on stream. Well, we need to get the practice in for that 24-hour stream as well that is coming in. Bro, to be honest, the amount of person who didn't believe in this 215 technique is just so amazing. Who want to be friends? What? It's not Facebook. All right. It seems like you guys are falling asleep on me. So should I end the stream here, my friends? It seems like you guys are falling asleep on me. I'm not getting an interaction in the chat. Paulo, you're still here. 4 hours in. Bro, I don't think my voice is so lovely for you guys wanting to hear my voice. So on. Paulo said I should end the stream. Harry says no. Harry says no. Let's finish this first. Finish what? No, I mean, I'm still here. Okay, surprisingly. Bro, you guys like what I'm cooking in the kitchen? That's nice. The chef for Pips, the random guy on the internet. Jesus Christ, I was out. Did you enter? No, we have no. Sylvia, no, we haven't entered. So we have a 50-minute candle closure inside of the zone, pretty close to our point of interest. So that validates that the 215 zone is still ripe for the picking. It's still active. We can still take a few more pips out of the 215 zone. So now this because of the chat, I can't see. This next 15-minute candle closes in 3 minutes. If it closes in the zone again, that's a very strong indication to say, all right, cool, we can still take another. We can maybe share a few more plates of pips out of the 2-1. This using the same 215 zone. The chef wants to end the stream. The chef been cooking, man. For 4 hours I've been cooking. You guys have been eating. So, and you guys have rewarded me a lot as well, in a sense where you guys have been sharing the live and you have been following the platform as well. Take a rest. Well, yeah, I'm rested. No, I'm okay. Reason being is that doing these long streams, it helps me. Um, because I'm getting practice in for that Asian, not Asian, for that 24-hour stream, and I know that's gonna be um, it's gonna take a lot of, it's gonna be hectic, is the word that I want to use. So going streaming 6 hours for the day is only, is that a quarter? Yeah, it's only a quarter of what I'm going to be doing. So if this candle, if this 50-minute candle closes inside of the zone just the same, is a very good thing, because that's letting me know that this 215 zone still have a few more pips in it to give it. All right, we need to we need we need to knowledge this fine strategy as a community. We need to 215 money. Money changed his name to 215. Oh my gosh. Manny has changed his name to 215 Manny. Oh my gosh. Bro, appreciate that. Bro, this 215, I tell you, did I lose the 50 minutes I was away? Something, have you started streaming 24 hours yet? No, I'm not doing 24-hour stream just yet. I'm doing longer streams now, but not doing the 24 hours yet. Yeah, that's respect, man. Yeah, shout out to you, Manny. And I believe Manny has been there really early on in the days, and he's been eating like crazy, man. And yep, I thank you guys for the support. We all appreciate your work and help, bro. Uh, you guys are just trying to swell my head now. When am I going to do the 24-hour shift? I'm going to do the 24-hour shift when we get to 2,150 followers on YouTube. So when we get to 2,150 followers on YouTube, in honor of the 215 technique, that's when I will do the 24-hour stream. Oh man, that's so nice. So nice. No, we're not do. Remember, guys, don't ask if we're buying or selling. You know what we're waiting for. You know exactly what the 215 technique stipulates. If you don't see it happening, you know that we're not looking for any entries. It's best if you ask what are we waiting for versus are we buying or we selling. We're not doing anything right now. Okay, brother. Ooh. All right, nice. How many pip move was that? Ooh, 70 pip. You guys are rock star with that entry too, man. That was a sniper. That was a sniper of an entry. You see, and that's why I tell you guys to double tap on that screen to like the stream, because you see, when you do that, your fingers, right? Your fingers, those memory muscles, they remember that like action, that double tap action. And when you need to do that sniper entry, as you guys did with that entry 2 from right here, right? When you did that entry 2 from right here, you all got that because you were exercising those finger muscles. You were exercising those finger muscles, so your fingers were healthy, right? Healthy and profitable. So your fingers knew that it's now time for a sniper entry. I'm taking that cell. Hello again. Hi, Alexia. I had to do something. No problem at all, Alexia. No problem at all. When the 50-minute bar stays in the 215 zone, what happens? When it stays in the 215 zone, that's good. If it's in the 215 zone, that just shows that the 215, we can still use the 215 zone because it's still active. It's rejecting to our point of interest. The only thing that I would say, though, the only thing that I would say looking at this now, You're at work and you're on my stream. A lot of persons they called in sick to be on the live stream yesterday, but it paid off. Um, let's see. So the only thing that I would say, analyzing this now, right? Analyzing this now, I can see that possibly our point of interest has risen a bit. So it has. Oh, bro, it's so hard to stream it on one screen. It has risen a bit. It has risen maybe about 50 point, about 5 pips thereabout. So on the 5 minute time frame, would we want to take it on a break right here? Because this could be a rejection on the 50-minute time frame. Did it create another support? No, it did not. So it's still respecting that area. Well, if it does confirm, then it's just maybe just using a smaller spoon to share out the pips versus using a big spoon. All right, 88. Wow, if we get to 100K likes on TikTok, that's gonna be a massive record for myself. All right, remember guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel on 215 Trades, then please go ahead and do so. What's the name of the strategy? Can you guys let A know what's the name of the strategy? Y'all check this thought in YouTube. It lit, I promise. Simba 215, baby. Yep. That's the name of the technique, 215. Alexia, did you catch that entry too? I think Alexia was away. The 216 216? 216 strategy. Come on, Sung Yong. Sung Jing Woo. Come on. It's 215, not 216. We definitely can create a 216 strategy though. Are you in a buy? I am not. I am in the 215 zone waiting patiently. She was out. Bro added extra pip. Oh gosh. So if you guys want to learn about the 215 technique, let me remove this. Head on over to my YouTube channel. That's at 215 Trades. Bro's trying to upgrade the strat. Definitely is. Remember, guys, if you get a random message on TikTok, it's not me. Someone cloned. Someone is creating an account on someone has well, they already have. Someone has created an account on YouTube, on TikTok, sorry, about and has called it 215 Trades as well. And he's following a bunch of people, and apparently they're also texting people as well. So be mindful of that. That's not me. All right. What's my goal bias? I don't have any bias for goal. So I don't predict. I don't predict. I react. So I don't have any bias. As long as it feeds me, and that's it. As long as my viewers get fed, then that's it. And I also have Sylvia over there on YouTube, who is in Poland right now and is on her journey to being a millionaire using the 215 technique. So shout out to Sylvia. So congrats to you. Wow, this is something new. Has the 15 minutes VAR been farmed? What is a VAR? What's the win rate last month? I had entered at do y'all trade all? Do you trade all sessions? Not yet. What's the win rate last month? I don't know. I don't know. 2 days left until we get to a millionaire. All right, nice. What's the win rate last month? Well, I only got spanked once last month, but I got spanked the Friday. Yeah, I only lost one trade this month. Yeah, the only trade we lost was this one. But yesterday the entry that the pips that we got yesterday, this was nothing, and we got it back and we got it back. So, bro, all right, let me tell you something, guys. Get rid of, and a lot of persons are not going to agree with me here. A lot of persons are not going to agree with me. Okay, a lot of persons are not going to agree with me, but this is my personal opinion. This is my personal opinion. This is no advice. It's just me. Remember, I'm just a random guy somewhere on the internet babbling on about the 215 technique. Win rate doesn't mean anything. Win rate doesn't mean anything, right? Doesn't mean anything. Doesn't change anything. It's nothing. A strategy can have a 100% win rate, and you're using that strategy, but you are losing every single entry, right? It can have a 90% win rate, and you're losing every entry, right? So not because you get this win rate thing and you hear it has a very high percent win rate and all that fun stuff means that you should do the technique. I recommend you to scrap that. I recommend you to back test. I recommend you to try it. I recommend you to learn, right? Don't go off what people are saying that their win rate is. So you see that I'm not even posting on my screen. Um, sorry, I'm not even posting on my screen what my win rate is or how many pips I have eaten because I don't want anyone to be focusing on that. So when you come on the stream and you see that, you're gonna say, "Oh, he has a very high win rate. I'm gonna watch him." I don't want that to be the reason why you're here. I want the reason to be that you're learning something. You're learning the 215 technique. You're understanding the 215 technique, and you want to implement it. You know what I'm saying? So scrap that win rate. Learn, backtest, implement. That's what I would say for that win rate thing. All right, good. You guys are. What do you do with the roses and the gifts from TikTok? Because I've always been getting quite a few of them. I have to do some research on that. All right, so let's look at the 15-minute time frame. We have two candles closing in the zone. We have this next 15-minute candles closing in 5 minutes as well. It's money. There are gifts. Ah, yeah, but there's not a lot. There's not a lot of gifts. Hmm. To say that you guys are eating so many pips from this 215 technique, you guys don't give a lot of gifts on this channel. Ooh, 90K likes. Nice. Yeah, I know they have varying values, but I think the roses are like cents or stuff like that, if I'm not mistaken. So what we would want to see, if this 50-minute candle closes around our point of interest, that's even more confirmation that our that my 215 zone is still fully functional and active. It's now 11 a.m. as well. It's usually another um, area of volume as well, just before the London boys and gals head on out for lunch. 90K likes. Are we going for 100K likes on TikTok? Yeah, Sylvia was lucky. But either way, even if she had taken that loss as well with us in the first entry, she would have made it back. She would have made it back plus more. So she got those two. She got that ping pong setup, lovely ping pong setup. And if you're holding that ping pong setup, you still be in it as well. Is there a specific time for your next stream so I can put it in my reminder? I appreciate that. I would say at 1 125 my time, 125 UK time. I'll be going on this stream for about 30 more minutes just to see what's going to happen. And then after that, I'll take a break. Then I will be back at 120 UK time. So add it to your reminder, guys. If you want to be back here on the stream with me for the New York session, I'll be back at 1:20 p.m. UK time. So I know that I have viewers in Antarctica. I know that I have viewers in the North Pole, and I have viewers to the west and also to the east of the world, and you guys are in many different time zone. So it's UK. What time zone is UK in? Is UK in? I think it's UTC one. Is it UTC one or is it just UTC? Let me just Google that just to make sure. Time zone UK. So it's GMT. Is UK on GMT time zone? What is the UTC time zone in UK now? Is UTC 0 or GMT? Why is it saying the current time is on Sunday, 2:56 a.m.? What the hell is that? I don't know, guys. Google it. Yeah, we're gonna have a New York stream at 1:20 UK time. I don't know how to calculate it to tell you whether or not it's UTC or not. Maybe ask ChatGPT. It will help you out. I'm not good at those stuff. I'm good at marking lines on the chart. So Google it, and you can get the time zone. And I'll be here at 1:30. Paulo is giving back some of the food he ate. He's sending Rose. I've just seen it. Paulo in for a money gun. Really, there was a money gun on here. All right, Rose and glasses. All right, Paulo. All right, Paulo. I see you. I see you. I see you. Thank you for that. Yeah, yeah. You've had some pips yesterday, and you've had some today, as well. And you're showing your appreciation by giving some gifts. We're at 91K likes, guys. My final ask if we can just get it to 100K likes. Great, Paulo. Nice. I really appreciate that, my friend. Paulo in the TikTok chat, guys. Can you guys just head on over to Paulo's page and just give him a follow? He's a good guy. Good guy he is. He's just going up and then down and back up. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what it wants to do, whether it wants to go up and then down. What it needs to do is that it needs to go up when we are in it for an up move, and it needs to go down when we are in it for a down move. Remember, guys, we are not in the market for the overall move of the entire market. We're only in the market just for a small portion, just for a small crumbs of what the market is doing. Okay? We're not in the market to battle the entire move on a full daily candle. Well, I'm not a day trader, I'm a 215er, right? It's the small crumbs that matters. The small pips that matters. So if it goes up slightly and I'm in that up move, that's nice. All right, if you guys are going to come back for the UK stream, for the New York stream, let me see some NY in the chat. Good. So we have, okay, good. Good, good. And what time is going to be the UK stream? 13:20. Right. Remember, it's going to be UK time. It's going to be UK time. So you have to Google it to do the conversions to your time. I'm not sure why TikTok doesn't allow you to do the like shuttle a stream, because I know if I shuttle a stream on YouTube, it will convert the time to your time zone. But it's going to be 1:20 UK time. The New York session would have already been open at 1 p.m., but that's fine. I'm aiming specifically for that news to see what the market is going to do with that news, and at that point we'll see what's going to happen there and then. All right, remember, so it's 1:20 UK time. If you guys haven't yet liked the video, please go ahead and do so. If you haven't yet subscribed to the 215 Trades YouTube channel as well, please go ahead and do so. All right, we also have a Telegram group as well. Please ensure you join the Telegram group as well. Calculated in hours. Okay. So if it's now 11:20, so 12:20, what comes after 12? 1:20. So in 2 hours, yeah, in 2 hours, it's perfect. It's actually 2 hours. It's exactly 2 hours. What indicator is this? Ben, no, there's no indicator on the screen, my friend. This is just 100% the 215 technique. You're right. Some is trying to catfish you. I just saw it. Miney, you're talking about the 215, the next channel. Yeah, because if you go on that page, you will see that they reposted a bunch of people, like a bunch of I don't know, to be honest, I'm honored to say that someone is trying to copy what I'm doing, but I'm pretty positive they're not copying it because they want to do it from the goodness of their heart, or they possibly might trying to copy it because they want to swindle persons. And strangely enough, his videos that he has downloaded from my stream and uploaded back to his page are doing better than mine in regards to views. This man he created this channel about four days ago. He has over 34k likes already. He has 1,500 followers, and he has my logo up, and he also is following 1,096 person. I've reported his page, but I don't think TikTok is going to do anything about that. But when you go to his page, you will see that he has reposted, I don't know, these people, they look Asian, I would want to say, based off the looks of it. Maybe Yeah, yeah, they're location. So I'm not sure what Asian descent they are from, and I'm not going to try. Oh, that's Arabic. Is that Arabic? No, that's not Arabic. Is that? Ooh, I know. Yeah, I'm not a detective, so be mindful of that, guys. Don't let them catfish you or try to swindle you. So remember, I will never send you a text message on TikTok asking you to do anything, to pay anything or anything of the sort. I'll never text you first. That is for sure. Don't want you guys to take out the restraining order on my account. All right, so you can see what's happening right now. Clearly, you can see what's happening right now. The market said, "All right, I spanked you, but you spanked me twice," and right now, I'm going to a neutral zone. Right, I'm not gonna open myself to any more spank. You guys are doing too great. Because on the 50-minute time frame, we have quite a few candles back in the 215 zone, closing in the 215 zone, which shows us and tells us that our 215 zone is still fully functional. But since we're waiting on the closures, let's see the 30-minute time frame, what's going on. Um, yeah, definitely. If it confirms, yeah, we would have to be mindful of this area as well. It's a very key area. If it confirms on the 5-minute time frame, you can see where price is just bouncing between that buy line and that point of interest. So it's a very interesting one to watch. Hi, Vico from Indonesia. Welcome. Mindset Mischief, New York. Great. So remember, guys, we are going live again in 2 hours on YouTube doing the London session. Come on, guys. We're at 91K likes and we're ending the stream in 8 minutes. Can we get 8,000 likes on the TikTok stream to get it up to 100K and set the new high score? That would be my all-time high for likes. Come on, guys, drop those likes and get the channel up to 100K likes. How do you measure the 215 zone? 215 zone is a 40 pip zone, meaning that the point of interest is the price that gold was trending at when you I sent 8K. Thank you for that, Harry. Um, on the point of interest is basically the price that gold was trending at, and using the 215 technique, you will add $2 to that. So if it's two on this page, you can't see it on TikTok, but on YouTube it's there in full effect. You will see it's 2,813. When you add $2 to it, it should be your buy line. If you minus $2 from it, it should be your sell line. If we were using the 215 go right here, we would have been smashed. Well, we would have gotten some pips though, but we would have been smashed right here. If we were using the 215 go here as well, we would have been smashed. If we did it here, yeah, we would be in some profits as well. So we would have been smashed twice if we were using the 215 go. But we would have won two though. So it would be 4 entries and two losses, 2 wins if we were using the 215 go. All right, come on, guys. 94K likes right now on TikTok. Let's get it to 100K likes. When are you streaming later today? I'm streaming in 2 hours. Well, 1 hour and 54 minutes. Guys, if I was to take a long position, can you just let me know in the chat section if you understand? If I was to enter a long position, what needs to happen for me to take a long? We're at 95K likes, guys. Keep those screens stopping and get it to 100K. 5K more likes and we'll get to 100K. Just to see if you guys are understanding what's going on. What would I need to wait for it to happen for me to take a long? Needs to close above. All right. A break and closure above. No, the retest, we've already done all the retests we need. So now we no longer need to wait for our retest. Um, Close above. All right, good. So you guys understand and you know what we're looking for. Good. Now, we have 4 minutes left, or 3 minutes left in the stream. We're at 97K likes in TikTok. Can we just get those likes up to 100K? All right. For all my viewers here today, I want to say thank you all for all the love and the support. Thank you all for the gifts. Thank you all for the follows. And thanks to everyone who has communicated in the chat section of the YouTube stream and also on the TikTok stream. I appreciate you. All right. Thank you for everyone who has shared the live as well, whether it's you've shared the YouTube or if you shared the TikTok. I appreciate that as well because that's spreading the word about the 215 technique and it's lovely. All right, so I think today you guys should be properly fed. So far, sadly, we lost breakfast, but I gave you lunch. So now we should be looking for dinner in the New York session. So we need one more 1K likes and more to be 100K, and that will be your all-time high. And for all my viewers who are on TikTok, please ensure that you've joined the Telegram group. And also YouTube viewers, please ensure you join the Telegram group. And if you're on TikTok and you haven't yet subscribed to the 215 Trade channel on YouTube, please ensure you go ahead and do so. All right. We're going to close out the stream in 2 minutes and then we will be back. 100K likes. Wow. Congrats, guys. That's my new all-time high. That's my new all-time high for likes on this stream. Thank you, guys. Thank you. All right. Not letting me. What's not letting you? It's still can't join, bro. Don't know why. My hands are tired. Don't you worry about that. Your hands are not tired. Your hands are ready for the sniper entries we have coming on later on. I'm not sure why your Telegram is you're not able to join the Telegram. I'm fat without pips. Sylvia, I love you guys. All right, when is the stream on YouTube? In an hour and 51 minutes. 1 hour and 51 minutes. Basically 2 hours from now. Basically 2 hours from now. If this candle close above the 215 zone, you know what time of day it is. But it doesn't seem as if it wants to do that. Bro, I updated the Telegram yesterday. Well, I'm not sure. Head over. If you're having problems with joining the Telegram from TikTok, head over to YouTube, 215 Trades. The Telegram group is on that page. There's no problem with that one. Try that one. I updated it on TikTok, but TikTok doesn't seem to be taking it. So head on over to 215 Trades on YouTube. I update your Telegram, bro. I did that. I did that. I'll look at it again after stream. Not you, but the person that couldn't. I'm so sorry about that, Salvation. I'm so sorry about that. That's a very nice name, though. All right, good. So, guys, that's it for the London session. We did a 4.5 hour session, so we'll be back in the next 2 hours to start the New York session. All right, so if you want to be a part of it, join the live by following the channels. That's 215 Trades on YouTube and also 215 Trades on TikTok. All right, with that said, I want to say happy trading. Stay safe, guys, and see y'all in a bit.